What's up everyone, this is Yosef with Everyday Reviewed, and you may remember that one of my original videos was me installing a K&N air filter on my 2017 Hyundai Elantra Sport. Well, I got a new car recently and I wanted to showcase K&N again. Now, I'm a big proponent and I've always loved their filters, and I wanted to put one on my new car. And you guessed it, I have a BMW now. The BMW that I chose is the 2017 BMW X1 Xdrive28i. This features a 2-liter turbo engine rated at 228 horsepower and 252 pounds-feet of torque. I'm hoping to hear a little bit more turbo spool with this new filter and also gain a little bit of MPG and horsepower. That being said, let's not waste any time and go ahead and get to the filter install. So as you can see, this filter is washable and reusable, and that's one of the main things that I love about K&N air filters. You basically just wash it off with a garden hose and oil it with a kit that you get from K&N, and you're good to go, just as new. So let's go ahead and listen to how this sounds with the stock filter, and then let's listen to what it sounds like after the freshly installed K&N air filter. So to open the air box on this particular vehicle, you have to use a T25 star head. And there are, I believe, 3 screws located on the top of the air filter itself. And as you can see, here is the old air filter. It is paper and very, very thick, and is not going to give you the optimal airflow. Now let's go ahead and install the K&N air filter and see how that one sounds. So here's that beautiful new K&N air filter that we're about to freshly install. Now there is some oil on this, so just keep in mind that you probably want to wash your hands before you get into your car with this, after installing this filter. So, fits in there quite nicely, and let's go ahead and pop this back in, make sure everything seats down. It's really hard to actually feel in the back if it's all the way down. This feels good to me, so let's go ahead and grab our T25 star key and put it all back together. So after revving both, I do hear a little bit of difference with the K&N air filter. It is not a big change, however, it is noticeable, and the throttle response actually feels a little bit faster with this filter. So I'm excited to see how it actually drives and to see if I can feel an increase in horsepower or an increase in torque. I know I'm going to get a little bit better miles per gallon, as that was the case with my Hyundai Elantra Sport. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I think the next upgrade I'm going to do for my BMW X1 is going to be the Dynon Programmer. I've seen on the forums that it's giving a significant boost in horsepower, and with my new air filter, I think I'm gonna have a nice little sleeper on my hands while being able to drive this on a daily basis, as this is my everyday car. So thank you so much for joining me and viewing this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll keep this content rolling. Thank you so much. Have a great day.